With a population of 36,000, Schaffhausen is the capital of the canton of the same name and the northernmost town in Switzerland. The charm of Schaffhausen lies in its excellently preserved historical old city and its beautiful location on the Rhine. As a business centre, the name of Schaffhausen has become known especially for its industrial enterprises, chemical engineering and watchmaking industries. Such companies offer numerous attractive jobs. Therefore, demands for efficient public transport services continue to increase. Commuters and students want to reach their destinations quickly, safely and well informed. Schaffhausen's Public Transport Authority, VBSH, serves the entire urban area of the city as well as the neighbouring community, Neuhausen am Rheinfall. 6 direct point-to-point routes serve all urban districts at 10-minute intervals during rush hours and 20-minute intervals during the evening and at weekends. Its 41 buses transport 13.5 million passengers every year, covering a total distance of 2.7 million kilometres. The rural communities of the Canton of Schaffhausen are mainly served by the Regional Public Transport Authority RVSH. With a total of 8 bus routes, 26 communities are served. 26 buses transport 2.3 million passengers a year, travelling a total of 2.2 million kilometres. We are here with Schaffhausen's public transport operator and have the opportunity to interview Mr. Seelhofer, responsible for operation and maintenance of the VBSH Control Centre. By far the greatest challenge we are facing is to keep up with the technological innovations that are emerging in the field of real-time passenger information. This is particularly so because we have only a few in-house specialists who are capable of mastering such tasks. On the one hand, in small public transport companies such as VBSH in Schaffhausen, all key staff are generalists who are in charge of several tasks. We cannot afford to have any specialists. But on the other hand, this also means that small transport operators such as ours must rely on experienced system providers and partners who are capable of scaling their tried and true products, for example control centres, down to reduced needs. We also expect the same level of service as large customers when we encounter problems. Our cloud-based operations control system enables us to offer our passengers real-time information on departure times, delays, detours or other things. In this respect, our passengers are now offered the same essentially standardized information convenience as in larger cities with fully equipped control centers. When it comes to automatic transfer protection at stations and traffic nodes, there is one thing that sets us apart. Our control center is not staffed. We only have to intervene when we see that a route is in trouble owing to an unforeseeable incident. We can adopt this procedure because the frequency of incidents is relatively low in a small city such as Schaffhausen or Neuhausen am Rheinfall. Moreover, we simply cannot afford a permanently staffed control center. Our philosophy is to have the courage to accept a gap, or in business administration terms, to achieve the cost-to-benefit ratio that is ideal for our specific purposes. For this purpose, we have handy mobile tablets, allowing the standby officer in charge to access the control center also out of his home. This remote system allows him to access all the control center information through a SIM card. In the event of an incident, we can then also look directly on site into the affected subnetwork. This mobile solution is extremely helpful for dealing with major events or handling rail substitution services. As a transport company, we have particularly benefited from the fact that we can provide passengers with real-time information, as would be possible by a conventional control center. But we also have the advantage that we need less staff to keep the system. For a small region like Schaffhausen, a control center would not have been possible.